Take a ride in the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, rear wheel drive, HID headlights, four-wheel disc brakes. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.